Yeah, g'day everybody, it's Andrew from the Gas Log Fire Company and I'm down here in our showroom in Box Hill South to talk about an exciting new product, and that's the Regency GF950L. Now, we had the previous model being the Regency GF900. It was a great unit, same great heat output, all that sort of stuff, but they've made a few changes to make it even better. The first one is in relation to, we now have a 22mm clean edge trim, which just matches the gaps that are around it to give a nice sleek finish. And the unit's still made in the parent company at Regency headquarters in Vancouver, Canada. Made in Canada, designed in Australia, got the beautiful Australian driftwood log set, which a lot of people like. So none of those fake North American logs. Styled and designed from Sandringham Beach, those logs. But the main advantages that we see with the new GF950L are more in relation to ease of installation, heights of televisions, and the use of normal plasterboard around it. So we've got a model over here, being the new 950L, as you can see. We'll talk initially about the top nailing plate. So as you can see, it's a lot more reduced. So previously you could have a television about 500mm above this unit. You can now have a television as low as 350mm above it, which is a massive advantage for large big screen TVs and the heat transference up the wall. But the number one advantage, which I like it being an installer, is that you can use normal plasterboard. So the nailing plates that you see attached on the side and the top make it super easy for the installer. You can run 10mm plasterboard straight down to the tabs here, run your header timber through the top, and your framing's pretty much done. Other advantages of the unit are it's got increased airflow through the back, so you are getting a little bit more airflow through the fan system and through the heater, so you actually are improving the heat output by a little bit. But the major one is the unit itself's running a lot cooler, which means that you've got less head temperatures, meaning you can reduce the height of the TV. But the number one selling point of installing one of these into your house these days is you can use normal plasterboard, whereas a lot of other landscape wider style fireplaces on the market require you to have specialised non-com boards, villa board, and special plastering techniques, which can sometimes provide cracking, which you're not going to get with this unit. So all in all, some small but major improvements that make the Regency GF950L an absolute winner.